Hi, welcome. I'm RockinRobin. You're on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channel that helps resellers make more money. Well, guess what? It's October. Wow, can you believe it? And if it's already October, that means it's time for me to talk about what sold. What sold in the last 2 weeks of September. Wow, time is just flying by. I say that every month, but I just can't believe how quick time flies. Okay, so if this is your first time here, we sell on eBay, we sell on Mercari, we sell on Poshmark, we sell on Facebook Marketplace, and we sell at the flea market. And October is when I start the flea market, so I'm excited about that. Well, you stay with us. We're gonna talk about items that we sold and give you some tips and secrets and information about them. You stay with us. Okay, well, I thought I had a pretty good September. Not great, but not bad. And since I got rid of my store, I was expecting less sales, but I think I got around the same. So we're going to start off with this shirt. This is a Caribbean shirt, and I bought this for $1 at a tag sale. And I believe I sold this on Mercari for $19.99. Not bad. And this one is a Cuba Vera. I went to a tag sale and a lot of shirts were $1. I wish I picked up every single one. See, sometimes you make that mistake. You gotta get them all when you see them. Well, I got 15 for this one. And I believe that was Poshmark. I'm not 100% sure. Over here, this is a tank top. And I found this Rock Icons, it was called. Now, I had this for a while. It took time to sell. So it's not something I would go crazy. But if you see it cheap, hey, you can pick it up. Eventually, they do sell these Rock Icons. I got $16 for this one, which isn't bad for a tank top. Over here, this one I saw, it was a Disney shirt. I absolutely loved it. I believe I paid only $2 for this. It was in excellent condition. It was very unique. A lot of Disney shirts are typical, but when you find them that are unique, you have to grab them. This was a woman's tank top. Now, I have had it for about a year. I thought it would go very quickly. I was surprised, but for $2, I got it and I sold it for $19.99. I'm happy. Really nice sequin shirt. Next one is Harley Davidson, I believe. I bought a ton of Harley Davidsons for $1 each, and I am still selling them. Now, at my thrift store, shirts are $5.99, and I won't buy a Harley Davidson for $5.99. But if you see one for $1 or $2, pick them up. You're going to sell them anywhere between $15 to $20. Once in a while, a little bit more. You might remember this. I found this in Orlando. It was a Disney Descendants bag. When I first saw it, I couldn't believe it. I didn't realize it was Disney at first. It had a little tag on it. And I was shocked that it was there, right there in the Orlando store. Like nobody cared. But I picked it up and I found several others. And it was in good condition, not perfect. And I believe I sold it on Poshmark. And I got $60 for it. I believe I paid, I want to say $5.99 or $6.99, but when I saw it, I knew it was a great bag, and picked up several at that particular thrift store. So keep your eyes out for Disney bags. They do sell very well. Now, the next one was another Disney bag that I found, but this one I did sell on Mercari. This one was at the Disney Character Warehouse store. And it wasn't cheap. I believe I paid $20.50, I want to say, for this one. It was a Loungefly. It was in great condition. It's animal. They had a bunch of them. And I wasn't sure, at that time if I should pick it up. But I picked it up for $20. I thought it would be worth a lot. I did get $42.99. So there you go. Doubled my money anyway. This I had gotten for $0.25. I'd bought a bunch of stuff I know at a tag sale. And this was only $0.25. So I grabbed it as well. you never know with Disney ears and Disney hats what they're going to be worth. Some of them could be worth up to $100. So I didn't know, and for a quarter I took a chance. I did sell it. I think I only sold it for $6, $6.50. But hey, I took a chance and I only paid a quarter. Not a huge profit, not something I would go crazy looking for, but since you never know, I bought it. Now, these were very interesting. I bought these Wentworth wooden puzzle pieces, crackers, at a Goodwill, not a Goodwill, a thrift store, and they were $1 each. Everything was very expensive at the thrift store, but when I saw these for $1 each, I grabbed them, and I thought, well, you know, if I can't sell them, they're cool Christmas crackers, because I love those. And when I went and looked them up online, they were worth money. So what I did was I put them in an auction. And I started, I believe, at $19.99, see what all three would get. And I got $34 for the three of them. I spent $3. That was pretty good. These shoes I got at a tag sale. I paid $4 for. I believe these sold on eBay. You know, I'm always looking for sneakers. I look for some shoes. Sometimes I do okay on shoes. Sometimes I don't. People say, you know, keep looking. So I got these, I believe I sold these for $26.99. But you know, you got to be in good condition. You got to be careful. I have 2 full boxes full of shoes at this point. So those are some of the things that I sold in the second half of September. Not great, but not bad.
Well, welcome back. I'm so excited because now begins when you're going to sell for the fourth quarter. A lot of Christmas items, a lot of gifts, a lot of warmer items, a lot of different stuff. I'm always excited because it's a good time to sell in October. I hope you liked the things we sold in September. Hope you were excited about them, learned something new. We're always excited to bring them to you. But now it's going to get even better. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel, that you hit the bell, and that you give us a big thumbs up. Go out there, find something good. I want you to put it in the sold category so that you go out there and make yourself some money. See you soon.